email from me, and there are a couple of things on here. This video is about how to get the recordings that you need to process, and then the second screencast that I'll send you will be one in how to process those and post them. So the website you'll be finding the recordings is here at xenocanto, and your species, let's say that this person has received a species which is Asian starling, Aplonus panaiensis. Okay, in YouTube, that's what we're doing now. So what's going to happen is you get that species, you're going to go to this website called xenocanto.org. So I'm going to click on that. We're going to go there. Xenocanto is a public sharing space for recordings of wildlife, primarily birds. I'm going to go to the top of the screen and search recordings, and I'm going to put in my species. You can either put in the common name or the Latin name, right? So I'm putting in the Latin name, Aplonus, and you can see that there are lots of Aplonus that came up in here. And the one on the top happens to be, luckily, panaiensis. So if you choose either the common name or the Latin name, it'll be fine. And then you can look at the map and kind of make sure that what you're seeing is something from Southeast Asia. We're, of course, focused on Singapore. And Singapore is here in this area at the tip of the Malayan Peninsula. So we're going to go ahead and use all the calls from this area. And if you just simply page down, what you'll see is a whole pile of calls down here. What I recommend is that you begin this process by downloading all or most of the calls that you'll need. This species is super common, so it has a lot of recordings. So the way you download them is by clicking on this button here. The first call, download. That's done. Second call, download. That's done. Third call, download. You can either choose to do these one page at a time, or you can choose to do the entire species. I think you should probably do one page at a time. Let's begin this by taking the first page. All right, so I'm just going to download them all. I mean, truth be told, I've already done this for this species, but I'm just going to do it again for your experience and what it looks like. If I miss one, I'm going to hit twice. Download. I think we have like 20 per page or something on here. And I think there's a lot of pages. So you will do this all the way to the end of your page. I got just about enough time to finish it up. My last one was 665900, 665900. So I'll punch this one, I'll punch this one, I'll punch this one, I'll punch this one, and this one, and this one. And that concludes page 1. Okay, these are all different recordings. Now I'm going to go to those recordings by going to my downloads folder, which is down here if you're on a Mac. If you're not on a Mac or you're on a PC, you're still going to go basically to my Finder or to your desktop, and you're going to find out where your downloads went. Wherever they go, here's the list that I just made just now. Okay, right here. There it is. They all have ones after them because I already downloaded these one time before, so this is the second copy. Now let's go in. So what we want to do is we have this list. You can save this anywhere on your computer that you like, that's comfortable, but the key component is that we're going to, I think I lost my space. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to open with. So in my Mac, I'm going to use Control. I think you just right click on your PC. I'm going to open that with, and I'm going to use Audacity. So of course, before this moment in time, you will have downloaded Audacity, the sound program. It's free, and put it on your computer. And it comes in like this. Audacity brings it in as a WAV file. You can't see bird calls here, so I'm going to go to this little area here and click on it. That's where the title of the file is, and I'm going to go to spectrogram. The spectrogram shows me a lot more information. I can begin playing the sounds. So it's a pretty good spectrogram. This is the sound, and this is where I want to be. Now, I think we're done with part 1 video of how do you find your sounds, okay? Some of the recordings won't be of great quality. That's okay. You don't have to use them all. You only have to use the ones that are pretty clear and pretty good, okay? So you can skip ones that aren't that clear or you can barely hear the song at all. Thanks for listening to part 1.